Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to make your Samsung phone or tablet faster with a few simple tweaks. First, head to the Settings app on your phone. Then, scroll down to tap on Device Care. Here, scroll down to the Performance section and tap on Processing Speed. Here, select High or Maximum option. Now, return to the previous menu and tap this Optimize Now button. After this, return to the main settings page. Then, go to Display. Here, tap on Motion Smoothness. Then, select this adaptive option. This will increase the display refresh rate to 120 Hz, making your Samsung Galaxy phone feel faster. The last tip to make your old Samsung Galaxy phone snappier is to disable animations. To do this, go to the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Here, tap on Software Information. In this menu, tap the build number 7 times. Then, enter your device passcode to unlock the Developer Options menu. Now, return to the main settings page and tap on this Developer Options menu. Here, scroll down to this Animation Scale options. Tap on these options one by one and turn them off. Once you turn off Window, Transition and Animator Scale, your Samsung phone or tablet should feel faster. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.